Ready?
Hi everyone, it's Miss Sherry from Not Just Art. I'm going to take you through the steps to make shaving cream slime today. I'm going to tell you what you need and how we're going to make it. So first we're going to start with some plain old ordinary shaving cream, okay? Not the gel kind, just regular shaving cream. Liquid starch, which you can get in the supermarket. If not, it can be ordered online. Sta-Flo works the best. And plain old ordinary white school glue, okay? So we're going to start with 2 cups of shaving cream. About. And then you can just dump that right into a bowl. And then we need a half a cup of the white glue. Right up to about the top of the half a cup measuring cup. And then dump that right on top of the shaving cream. And go ahead and stir that together first with a spoon or a spatula or whatever you have at hand. And then I'm going to use a few drops of food coloring. The liquid kind works the best. McCormick's makes it. You can find it. I think we'll make red. Let's see how that goes. Just a couple of little drops should be more than enough color. And then we're going to go ahead and stir that up with the shaving cream and the glue mixture. Alright. And then we're going to add about 1/4 of a cup of the liquid starch and see how that works. Alright, just pour it right on the top and start stirring it up. And you can see almost right away how it starts coming all together. And just stir it for a minute or two. It's starting to pull away from the sides. See that already? And once it clumps up mostly onto your spoon, you can go ahead and just dump it right out and start using your hands to mush it up. And playing it, and the more you mush it and the more you play with it, it'll start coming off of your hands. And look at how stretchy it is and how much fun it is to play with. I'm going to play with it for about a minute, and then I'm going to show you one more thing that's so much fun to do with it. All of the children in my classes really enjoy doing this. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab something that I have right here. It's a straw. And we'll see if it's going to work right now. We're going to blow some bubbles, okay? Stick the straw right into your slime, hold it nice and tight, and wrap it around, and very gently blow. Look how cool that is. You can make bubbles out of your slime. It's just one fun thing to do with it. And there you go. Nice and easy slime. Come back and see me again and we'll do something different. Bye.